What was that?
I was trying to get straight, and we.
But what was the whole like?
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Tobin here. Hey, what's up, everybody? Will you get serious?
Hello, everyone. Yeah, that's better.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Tobin here.
Shanna.
And Shanna.
Or just Shanna. Okay, I'll be. Hey everybody, what's up? It's meat day for Tobin.
Have you been drinking?
I'm ready.
Hey, what's up, guys? Tobin here.
And Shanna.
Hey, what's up?
I'm gonna introduce myself. I'm gonna pop in.
Hey, what's up, guys? Tobin here.
And Shanna.
Hey, what's up, guys? Tobin here.
And Shanna.
From 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today, we went to a local meat market and stocked up on meat. Skylar's checking it out. So we bought some beef and pork. We bought it in bulk. I don't know if it's necessarily cheaper, but it's good quality meat, and we're gonna definitely fill our freezer up with it. This is kind of an alternative to raising a cow or a pig and slaughtering it yourself. If you don't have room to do that or the means to do that, this is an alternative to doing that. I'm certain there's probably in your area there's a meat market where you can buy meat in bulk, and if not save money, at least get some quality meat out of it. And so we just want to encourage y'all, if that's something y'all want to do. We like having our freezer full. Just, you never know, it's just nice to have it in there. So that's part of our reasoning for doing this. What do you want to say?
I mean, the same thing. I think as a family of 5 too, and it's nice to have, as the chef in the family, to be able to go outside at any point and just have a freezer full of meat, and knowing I don't have to plan at the grocery store what meat to buy. It's just in the freezer outside. So.
Yeah. Alright, guys, so we got 2 boxes of meat here. I got on my phone pulled up what we got. I'm going to tell y'all. So we got 30 pounds of pork and 45 pounds of beef. So the beef, we have 16 cutlets, 4 T-bones. Skylar, go. Go, get in here. She's snorting at the back door. Alright. We have 16 cutlets, 4 T-bones, 4 ribeyes, 4 sirloins, 2 pounds of stew meat, 2 pounds of short ribs, 2 chuck roast, 1 rump roast, 1 arm roast, and 10 to 15 pounds of ground beef, ground chuck. And on the pork package, we got 20 pork chops, a half a ham, 1 side of ribs, 3 pounds of bacon, 2 pounds of smoked sausage, and 5 to 7 pounds of breakfast sausage. So here is the box of beef. That box is completely stuffed full. That's 45 pounds. And then this is the box of the pork. That's 30 pounds. It's full of pork chops. These sacks are breakfast sausage, smoked sausage.
And a big old roast in here.
Yeah, some kind of roast right there. We also stocked up on, they had chicken on sale for like $1.39 a pound, so we stocked up on that as well. We also bought a new freezer this week. We'll take you out there and show you all that here in a minute. But we've killed 3 deer this year and 1 pig, and those are already in that freezer. And once we put this in there, it's gonna be full to the max. So what's up, buddy?
I'm just coming to be in the video.
Okay. Well, you're in the video.
What are you doing?
I'm putting you in the video. So here's our new freezer, our deep freeze. It's outside our shop here. We bought it. It's a Frigidaire. We've had really good luck with Frigidaires. This fridge right here is one. One of my chest freezers I use for taxidermy is a Frigidaire, and we also have a Frigidaire refrigerator in the house. So we bought this week. They delivered it, and so we stocked up on some chicken this today at Walmart. All this right here, and pretty much everything in the door is all deer and wild pork that we've killed this season.
That's not wild pork.
Yeah, that's all chicken.
That's all stuff we
we
eat and just cook on the grill.
Yeah.
We don't cook.
So we're hoping to fit the meat we bought on these 2 shelves right here. We'll show y'all here in a minute what it looks like once we get it all loaded in there. Yeah, let's see what's different. I think one's. I bet. Do you want to set one still and just bake it out?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have anything to say about this?
Yes. You're doing a good job.
Okay.
Guys, we got it all loaded in there. It barely fit. We got a pretty full freezer. What do you think, babe?
I like it.
So that's it right there.
That's actually about. How much was this? Like.
So we got, that's all deer meat on the top. That's all beef on the next one. Pork on that one. Little pork and a little bit of deer meat there. And all chicken. More chicken.
We totally didn't kill
And
it.
all deer meat.
No, that's,
and that's
Reed's
pork.
pig.
Reed's pig right there. Yep. So I think we are set on meat for a few months.
Yes, very much so.
Guys, thank y'all very much for watching this video. We just want to share this with y'all. I hope it can help y'all and maybe give y'all some ideas of what to do. You have anything to say about it?
I think it's a good investment. So I think if you, in our case, we just budgeted over the last couple weeks, put a little bit of money aside, and it's well worth it, I think, if you are able to do it.
Yep, I equate it to having money in the bank or a full tank of gas. It's just nice to have meat.
I'll say something.
Will you hold the camera? Oh.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. All right, y'all, hold on a second. Easton needs to say something.
Yeah.
It is a it's actually really nice. It's always really nice to be on videos with y'all making and make sure. Can I say something about? Make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, not Twitter. We don't even have a Twitter account. TikTok. He only has 1 video. Don't question. Don't tag us. Don't.
What else you want them to do?
Subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see y'all next time. Peace.